What's going on, everybody? Pop Principal here with another Funko Pop review, and today we have another Loki Pop review, Frost Giant Loki from What If Season 1. When I first saw this, this was one of my favorite looking Lokis, style Lokis out there, because it shows Loki in his true form. He is a Frost Giant. He is not an Asgardian, as we all know if you're familiar with the history, I should say. Even if you watch the first few Thors, you'll get that information. It's not new or made up. This is actually the true form of Loki, in which they portrayed in the What If series. What if Loki was, just a Frost Giant and doing this thing? So I love this design. I don't even remember the episode. If this was the Party Thor episode, it wasn't my favorite. Actually, probably my least favorite in that season. So with that being said, let's get right into an out-of-box look at Frost Giant Loki. And here we have a look at Frost Giant Loki with the ice crown, with the thorns still coming out. The mischief, I don't know if their mischief crown is the correct term, but he is the god of mischief. But to see him in his Frost Giant form is pretty dope. You can find this for cheap at this point. It's not expensive at all if you are curious or wanting to put in the collection. Very affordable at this point. You see him in the all blue, the red eyes, with the green. Of course, they still kept the green colorway, because all Lokis should have some form of green in their uniform. So as you see, his forearm pieces and shoulder pieces, his shin pieces, and his, I don't know if you want to call it a skirt, but they are all green in the traditional sense that you would come to expect. But he's blue, and his Frost Giant form, love this look with the cape and everything. And I believe he was like a bigger character. He wasn't like short like the regular, not short, but regular human size as the regular Loki was in the MCU. He was actually like huge, like the Frost Giants were in the on their planet in their original form. So glad they did give us this size rather than a 10-inch pop, but they could have did 6. I think that would have been pretty dope. But yeah, with that being said, let's get right into a comparison shot. And here we have a comparison shot of the Frost Giant Loki and the traditional looking Loki, Agent Loki, with the more Asgardian look, I should say. And then the Frost Giant Loki has the Frost Giant, I guess, look, quote unquote. He's blue, obviously, so with the red eyes. Yeah, so just thought this would be a good comparison. Pretty much drastically different, but similarities to keep it a Loki type of look, with of course the green highlights in the uniforms and the crown, of course, the crown of mischief. Very dope. I'm glad I got it in the collection. Like I said, it's super affordable at this point if you guys are interested. If not, I get it. Hopefully you got a good look here, and that's as good as you need. And with that being said, like, subscribe, tune in. Appreciate you guys for watching. Be on the lookout for the next video. Pop Principal out.